From having an acute shortage of any protective equipment when the COVID-19 pandemic first hit, to now becoming one of the world's largest manufacturers of personal protective equipment or PPE kits, India has travelled a long distance in less than 4 months. The Indian PPE market is expected to touch 10,000 crores next year, and from zero in March, India now manufactures over 8 lakh PPE kits per day. So how did India achieve this scale so quickly? To get the answers, we traveled to this factory in the textile hub of Bhiwandi, about 60 kilometers from the city of Mumbai. This factory originally manufactured export garments, but when the lockdown was imposed and business came to a standstill, this one, like many other factories in the area, had to turn its focus to PPE manufacturing in order to survive.
There was shortage of supply. People were importing it. And we thought, why not we make ourselves instead of importing? Because we are into international trade. So we know the import and export plays an important role. We immediately adapted, and the ministry also helped us in getting the permissions to open up as an essential product. We got the raw material, we had the know-how of the fabric. We started, I think, by first week of April, we were able to start back the factory with 20% efficiency only, because the social distancing and also the laborers were scarce.
March was mainly devoted to doing the research work, the where to get the fabric from, what kind is a good fabric. So that is how we came about. We got a few samples, we replicated that samples, we experimented with different fabrics, how best we can fit in with the most breathable and most protective material. We started from few hundreds, and then we reached to a capacity of 10,000 kits per day.
So, you said you reached a capacity of 10,000. That was in the earlier part. But now, is there enough demand coming, for you to be able to manufacture 10,000 kits a day?
Everybody knows that there are more people manufacturing PPE kits than what our domestic market can consume. That is the major challenge.
Where do things currently stand in terms of your supply? How much are you supplying now, and at what capacity did you say this is working?
So now, at that time when we were doing 10,000 kits per day, our demand we had orders all stacked up at that point of time. Now orders are far lesser and very few. So even if we do 4,000-5,000 in a week, that is very good week. I have stocks worth about 30,000 coveralls, PP kits all done up. I don't have the demand for that.
Losses are definitely quite big because the social distancing norms doesn't allow us to work with even 50%. And the transportation of laborers, social distancing again, for every bus. Normally before it was 35 passengers. Now we are hardly carrying 15 passengers, maintaining the social distance. Losses are there because the skilled laborers are no more available. Many laborers have run away. They have migrated. I think today we are having an increment of cost of maybe 30%.
With the PPE industry boom came a blessing for India's manufacturing workforce, which had found itself out of a job when the lockdown was imposed. While they say they are worried about catching the virus, earning a livelihood takes precedence.
हमारी फैक्ट्री चालू है, तो ये किट बन रहा है, पीपी किट बन रहा है, तो सर ने हमको बुलाया, तो हम लोग आए, तो हमारा काम चालू थी, इसकी वजह से हम रुके हुए हैं, नहीं तो हमको भी घर पे जाना पड़ता। डर तो लगता है, लेकिन मजबूरियाँ कुछ ऐसी हैं कि काम करना पड़ता है। हम करने के लिए तो आना पड़ेगा, पैसे के लिए सब कुछ होता है मैम।
डर तो है, लेकिन फिर भी आपने ये करके आते हैं हम लोग, मास्क भी सब लगा के, ऐसा नहीं है कि डर तो है, लेकिन नहीं आएंगे तो फिर कुछ करना तो पड़ेगा ना। घर बैठे कैसे होएगा? रोज़ आते तो मास्क रहता है, सैनिटाइज़र हम लोग का रोज़ रहता है। यहाँ सब होते हैं, सैनिटाइजर है, चेकिंग, ये सब होता है रोज आते हैं तो।
यहाँ परिवार है अपना और क्या बोलते हैं सहयोग देने वाले भी हैं, इसके लिए रुक गया। लॉकडाउन के बाद धंधा एकदम बंद हो गया।
क्या हुआ
फिर बैठा ही रहा। जब ये कंपनी चालू हुई मालूम पड़ा तो बात उठ करके अपना लग गया इसमें।
While supply is no longer a problem for India, the biggest challenge for the PPE manufacturing industry is the lack of domestic demand. The answer lies in the $60 billion global export market, but to get a larger pie of that, India will have to shift its focus away from quantity to quality. With camera person Yogesh Tambe, this is Ritu Singh.